Cocoa originated in the tropical rainforests of South America, where wild trees flourished thousands of years before modern chocolate existed. Ancient civilizations, including the Maya and Aztec, valued cocoa beans as food, currency, and ceremonial offerings. Over centuries, cocoa cultivation spread from the Americas to tropical regions across Africa, Asia, and the Pacific. Our journey begins on a thriving cocoa farm where careful cultivation transforms flowers into the beans used for chocolate. Unlike many fruit trees, cocoa produces flowers and pods directly from its trunk and main branches. Cocoa thrives in warm, humid climates where consistent rainfall and filtered sunlight support healthy growth throughout the year. Today, cocoa is cultivated across tropical regions where climate conditions closely resemble its rainforest origins. The next generation of cocoa begins with selecting healthy pods containing vigorous seeds for propagation. Inside each ripe cocoa pod are dozens of seeds surrounded by sweet pulp that protects them before germination. Fresh cocoa seeds germinate quickly when planted in moist, fertile soil protected from direct sunlight. The first visible sign of life is the young root pushing downward to anchor the cocoa seedling and absorb water. As the young shoot reaches sunlight, the cocoa seedling begins producing energy through photosynthesis. Careful watering and protection allow cocoa seedlings to develop strong roots and healthy leaves before field planting. Before transplanting cocoa seedlings, farmers prepare fertile soil and establish shade systems that mimic rainforest conditions. Once transplanted into the field, the young cocoa tree begins the long journey toward flowering and fruit production. During establishment, the young cocoa tree focuses on developing roots and leaves that will support decades of production. As roots spread outward, they improve the tree's ability to absorb water and essential nutrients from the soil. The developing canopy captures sunlight and produces the energy required for future flowering and fruiting. Balanced nutrition supports strong vegetative growth and prepares cocoa trees for successful flowering in later years. After years of growth, the cocoa tree begins producing hundreds of small flowers directly from its trunk and branches. Although a cocoa tree produces thousands of flowers each year, only a small fraction develop into mature pods. Tiny insects called midges perform much of the pollination that allows cocoa flowers to develop into pods. Successful pollination triggers fruit set as tiny pods begin growing from fertilized flowers. Over several months, the cocoa pod enlarges as seeds and protective pulp develop inside the thick outer shell. Farmers identify ripe cocoa pods by observing color changes and other indicators of maturity. Harvesting cocoa requires careful cutting to protect the tree and preserve future flowering sites. Freshly harvested cocoa pods are collected and transported for processing as quickly as possible. Inside every cocoa pod are rows of seeds surrounded by sweet pulp that will fuel fermentation. The extracted beans contain the raw ingredients that will eventually become cocoa products and chocolate. Fermentation initiates complex chemical changes that create many of the flavors associated with quality chocolate. Farmers regularly turn fermenting cocoa beans to ensure even fermentation and consistent flavor development. After fermentation, cocoa beans are carefully dried to reduce moisture and preserve quality during storage. Quality sorting removes damaged beans and ensures only premium cocoa continues to chocolate production. Once dried and graded, cocoa beans are packed securely to maintain quality during international transportation. From carefully harvested beans begins the remarkable transformation that eventually creates chocolate, enjoyed around the world. The final harvest gathers only fully mature cocoa pods to ensure consistent bean quality and optimal flavor development. Cleaning removes unwanted plant material, so only high-quality cocoa beans continue through the processing chain. Grading helps buyers and chocolate makers select cocoa beans that meet specific quality standards. Proper storage protects cocoa beans from moisture, pests, and quality loss before shipment. From tropical plantations, premium cocoa beans travel worldwide to become chocolate, cocoa powder, and cocoa butter. Roasting develops the rich aroma and complex flavors that distinguish fine cocoa from raw beans. After roasting, the shells are removed to reveal cocoa nibs that contain valuable cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Natural cocoa provides dietary fiber, minerals, and plant compounds that contribute to a balanced diet. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, natural cocoa may support heart health through its flavonol content. The sweet white pulp surrounding fresh cocoa beans has a refreshing tropical flavor that surprises many first-time visitors. Each cocoa pod protects rows of seeds inside a sweet pulp that nourishes them until harvest. Fresh cocoa pulp offers a delicate balance of sweetness and gentle acidity that differs completely from finished chocolate. Unsweetened cocoa can be part of a balanced diet by contributing minerals, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds. Many cocoa farms use agroforestry systems that support biodiversity while protecting cocoa trees from excessive heat. Beneficial insects and birds can help naturally reduce pest populations in cocoa farms. Natural cocoa provides fiber, magnesium, iron, copper, manganese, and antioxidant flavonols as part of a balanced diet. Successful cocoa farming depends on daily observation, careful maintenance, and generations of agricultural knowledge. Millions of farming families around the world depend on cocoa cultivation as an important source of income. The largest cocoa-producing countries include Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, Indonesia, Ecuador, and Nigeria. A productive cocoa tree can continue bearing pods for 25 to 40 years with good management. Organic mulch helps retain soil moisture, reduce erosion, and improve soil fertility. According to experienced cocoa growers, careful pruning improves sunlight distribution, airflow, and long-term tree productivity. Cocoa pods vary greatly in size, color, and shape depending on the variety and growing environment. Myth: cocoa naturally tastes like chocolate. Fact: chocolate flavor develops through fermentation, drying, roasting, and refining. From rainforest origins to farms around the world, cocoa continues to nourish livelihoods, ecosystems, and culinary traditions. From a single seed to a harvested pod, the cocoa tree demonstrates a remarkable cycle of growth, care, and renewal. Each successful harvest reflects months of careful work and years of dedication by cocoa-growing communities. As daylight fades, the cocoa plantation reminds us that sustainable farming begins with respect for nature and patience. Every chocolate product begins with the remarkable fruit of the cocoa tree. New plantations require 3 to 5 years before producing their first commercial harvest. A well-managed cocoa plantation can remain productive for 25 to 40 years, ensuring benefits for generations to come.